Hey everyone, Carlos here with Bareboard Traders, and this morning I found it extremely difficult to find stocks for a good setup at the open. In these type of situations, it's important to have a good risk management plan and not force any trades. We have an amazing class on risk management, so make sure to check out our website at bareboardtraders.com for more information and details. Now let's get to our recap. So here's my trade for the day on QD. QD was on our watch list from this morning. If you're joining our pre-market watch list building, and right at the open, it has sold off and started doing this bounce. It kind of did a double bottom on the 1 minute chart. But this is what caught our attention. This thing was picking up volume here, as you can see, went above the VWAP, did a small pullback to these moving averages, and then it started to truck up again. Now, around this area, Andrew called it for a possible breakout. I pulled up the chart and it looked good. So I also wanted to take this for a long. I saw a good risk to reward right at the moving averages and for the break of a high of the day at this time, which was around here. So the stock did just that. It did popped up. It took some profits out on the way up, and then left a little bit just in case it was going to bounce from these moving averages and make its way higher. But it seemed like it had lost momentum, so I took everything out here, which I didn't have much left to begin with. Now, the one thing about this stock is it is a lower price, and you have to be really careful how many shares you take. So as you can see, it was only 150 bucks on here because I managed my risk by not taking a huge amount or a huge size. So again, very important that you always got to think about what are you risking, how much are you willing to risk on this trade, and that determines how many shares you're going to take. Then on AMD, this was a small trade I took in the afternoon, not a lot of shares. I got in long here for a possible bounce because it kept holding this 1995, set a stop loss at 1994, 93 or so. As it made a new high, I took some profits out. And then during this time here, I got a little distracted, started doing something else, and then it came back down to my break-even point and just got everything out. Actually, a little lower than my break-even point and just got everything out for a small loss. All right, guys, so that's my recap for today. Hope you had a green day and a good day as well, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the chat room.